Good morning, students. Today we have to do exercise 2.2 of chapter 2 exponents. In this exercise, we will see the scientific notations of writing large numbers. For example, I have to write distance between Earth and Moon. There is 4 and 0.0000000 meter. How many zeros are there? 8 zeros are there. It means 40 crore meter of distance is there between Earth and Moon. Okay, in spite of writing this big number, I will present this into its standard form. How to present its standard form? Just see carefully. 440 crores. Okay, put a decimal here, right? We want to shift this decimal just after 4 this side. Okay, so how many jumps we need to take? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? Okay, it was a simple number. I have marked one decimal here, and for coming close to 4, just after writing the decimal this side, I want to have how many jumps? 8 jumps. So this will be 4 into 10 raised to power 8. Just be careful whenever you are moving or you have to take jump towards left hand side, then this power will be positive. If you want to go from left to right side, if you are moving towards right side, then the power will be negative. Okay, see the next example. Distance between silicon atoms in silicon crystal. It is given to be 0.0000 and so many 0. How many? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9. 9 0 and 2, 3, 5. To write it in the standard form or scientific form, what I need to do? The decimal is to move just after first digit. Keep it in your mind. In scientific form, we need to have decimal after first digit. So we have to place this decimal this side. Okay, so how many jumps we need to take? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so 10 jumps towards the left hand side, sorry, right hand side, this side. Okay, this side we need to take, so we are taking power negative. Exponent will be negative 2 in 2 decimal 35 into 10 raised to power minus 10. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, you can remember this by using the number line. On number line, in between we have 0. This side we have negative integers and this side we have positive integers, right? But so in case of scientific notations, we have on right side addition means this side positive, left side should be positive and right side will be negative minus. Okay, keep remember scientific notation or for the standard form, left side we will add or this side we will subtract. There will be positive sign, this way it will be negative sign, just opposite to the number line. Clear? Now let's start exercise 2.2. Your first question is 56090000. Write it into standard form. Clear? How to write it in standard form? Just think that here we have a decimal. This is a without decimal number, so we can put a decimal just after the number. Okay, just after the last digit. So to place this decimal this side, what I need to do? I need to do 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps. Okay, we are moving towards left side. Decimal is moving towards left side. So what we have to do? 5 decimal 609 10 raised to power 8. Okay, this will be positive 8 for left side. Now again, in the next part, what we need to do? We have this much big number, we need to write in standard form. Decimal is already there this side. We have to move in right direction, right side. So power will be negative. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 jumps. Okay. So 8.98 10 raised to power minus 13. Okay. Now this is given in the standard form. You need to write it into usual form. Okay. Just you can do the simplification. Simplify this, raise the decimal, it will be 10 down into 1 upon 10 raised to power positive 4. Okay, so you can write it 10,000. Altogether this is 1 lakh downside. So it will be 0.00017. How many? 5 zeros now down. So it will be 0.00017. Question number 2. Write in scientific notation, write the scientific notation for the following. First is 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros are there. Clear? We have to write scientific form. Same way you can write here decimal, and here we need to take 10 jumps to reach after first digit. Okay, not here. Okay, now check the complete number. 145, right? We have to place the decimal after 1. Clear? Same B part. We have decimal here, and to reach after 4, how many jumps are to be taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4.258 10 raised to power minus 7. Clear? Because we are moving towards right side. So negative exponent. Third question, write the following in the usual form, right? Usual form means you have to just open the decimals, remove the decimal, simplified form. Okay, simplified form will be, this is 10 raised to power 11, so 11 zeros, 1 and 11 zeros. So 9.5 will be equals to 95 upon 10. 1 zero is cancelled out, so 95 and 10 zeros will be there in the usual form. Same way, remove this decimal, you will be having 605 upon 100. This will be 1 upon 10 raised to power positive 5, which is 1 lakh, right? Multiply these two, there will be 7 zeros down, 1 crore. Okay, so after this we have to place the decimal, right, in the end. Clear? This is the usual form. Now we have comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers is very important. They are telling you to first write in the standard form, then what you need to do is you need to write it in to compare the numbers. First writing in standard form. This number 463 into 10 raised to power minus 7. Let's write into standard form. Here what you will do, this number is having decimal this side. Okay, we have to take 2 jumps, right? It means towards left side I have to take jumps, so we will add 2 powers. Okay, in the given power I will add 2 power, right? So this will become the standard form. Minus 7 plus 2 will be minus 5. 4.63 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Now change this into standard form, because this is not given in standard, because we want decimal to be here. Okay, for this standard form we want 1.463, right? So for this we need to take one jump only towards the left direction, so we will add 1 in the given power. So it will be 1.463 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Now for comparison of these numbers, what you have to check? First check the exponent of 10. Exponent of 10 is minus 5, here it is minus 6. Which one will be greater? This will be greater. Okay, you can check it here. 1 upon 10 raised to power 5 will be 1 lakh. 1 upon 1 lakh, this will be 1 upon 10 lakh. Okay, so here decimal will come 0.250, then 1. Here it is 0.40 and then 1. Okay, it means this number is always greater. Okay, the number, smaller number with negative sign will be the greater. So 10 minus 6 is greater than 10 power minus 5. So you can multiply the given number with them, the given number. Okay, so it will be greater, right? Next question, this is one of the example in your book. 0.0000463, write it into standard form. How many places jump? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 towards the right side. So it will be 10 power minus 5. It will be 10 power minus 3. Okay. Now again this power will be bigger, this number will be bigger. 10 raised to power minus 3. This will be smaller. Okay. So we will multiply the required numbers with them. Okay. And this side will be greater. I hope this is clear to you. Now the last question. In a stack, there are 90 sheets, each of thickness 0.0015 DAM and 120 papers, each of thickness 0.005 DAM, 15 DAM. Find the total thickness of the stack in the centimeters. You know DAM stands for decameters, right? Okay. And here we need to find total thickness in the stack in the centimeters, right? So let's see, first of all, first sheet, one sheet has thickness 0.0015 DAM, thickness of 90 sheets 90.0015 into this will give you 0.135 DAM. Thickness of one paper is equals to 0.00015 DAM. Thickness of 120 papers will be 120 into 0.00015. The product will be equals to 0.018 decameters. Total thickness of the stack, if we add these two thickness, then we will get the total thickness. Total thickness will be equals to 0.153 decameters. Okay. Now we want to change it into centimeters, right? Centimeters, and we know 1 decameter is equals to 10 meters. So we are doing multiplication with 10 meters. Decameter, we are changing meters. Then we will change it into centimeters, right? Now for this meter, we want to change into centimeters. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So it will be into 10, 100 centimeter. Okay. 0.015 into 10 into 100 centimeter. Now this is 1000 and remove this decimal and you will be getting 1000 down. These two will be cancelled out and we will be left with 153 centimeters. So total thickness of the stack will be equals to 153 centimeters. So with this we are done with our exercise 2.2, right? In the end there is one practice exercise given for you. You can try those questions tomorrow. So take care and have a nice day. Thank you.